Partner up with SYSPRO and discover the benefits of delivering transformational value together. From the day we began, relationships with our partners have always been of utmost importance. Offering unlimited supply chain solutions, we are a global operation with a presence in over 60 countries, enjoying one of the best retention rates in the industry. So, why partner up with SYSPRO? Rather than a one-size-fits-all solution, we specialize in key industries in the manufacturing and distribution sectors. When you join the SYSPRO PartnerUP program, you gain immediate access to one of the best earnings models in the industry, one that increases your productivity and gives you a faster return on investment, and features that keep you ahead of the game, like an earnings model that increases rewards based on achievement, sales and marketing support, SYSPRO's Learning Channel, one of the most comprehensive of its kind in the industry, professional support, recognition and promotion, and licensed products. But don't take our word for it. Here's what some of our global partners have to say. We have enjoyed a close relationship with SYSPRO for the past 30 years. We are excited about what the PartnerUP program brings to the SYSPRO community and look forward to continuing our journey together. We have been in partnership with SYSPRO for over 20 years and are looking forward to furthering our partnership for the next 20. We partnered with SYSPRO because we wanted to be in business with a company that gives us the best possible growth potential. Simplify your success with SYSPRO and join the program that delivers transformational value together.